Welcome to an exploration of decentralized finance, or DeFi, a revolutionary financial system built on blockchain technology. DeFi aims to provide open, transparent, and permissionless alternatives to traditional finance, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. At its core, DeFi operates through blockchain technology, primarily using platforms like Ethereum and Solana that support smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing agreements written in code, automating terms without intermediaries and ensuring transparent, secure transactions. Decentralized applications, or dApps, serve as user-friendly interfaces that bring the functionality of these smart contracts to life. Key areas include decentralized exchanges, or DEXs, which allow users to trade cryptocurrencies directly from their wallets. DeFi also enables lending and borrowing, where users can lend digital assets to earn interest or borrow assets, with smart contracts handling collateralization. Stablecoins, pegged to assets like the US dollar, offer price stability, bridging traditional finance with the advantages of cryptocurrencies. DeFi offers significant benefits, including accessibility for in-bank populations, enhanced transparency through public blockchain records, and cost efficiency by reducing intermediaries. Furthermore, its decentralized nature minimizes single points of failure, significantly enhancing security. However, DeFi faces risks such as smart contract vulnerabilities, regulatory uncertainty, and potential security risks from AI integration. The future of DeFi is shaped by increasing institutional adoption, with traditional financial institutions integrating blockchain technology. Tokenization, turning real-world assets into digital tokens, is a major force driving this institutional interest, offering greater liquidity. The fusion of DeFi with artificial intelligence, known as DeFi, aims to enhance automation, efficiency, and personalization. AI agents can optimize execution paths, personalize user interactions, and predict risks, making DeFi platforms more adaptive and intelligent. As DeFi evolves, regulatory clarity and robust compliance measures are being developed to meet industry standards. DeFi is transforming the financial landscape, offering innovative, efficient, and inclusive services. While opportunities abound, users must be aware of associated risks. The integration of AI and institutional adoption will shape a more accessible global financial system. I am Memes Link, and together we will explore the future of finance. Follow for more.